Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool candlestick telephone. This is Steve's equipment from Illinois, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. And we just finished up a wooden wall crank telephone for Steve, and now we're working on the candlestick telephone. And what we want to do is troubleshoot the transmitter. We're probably going to upgrade that transmitter to an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop. And so we'll take care of that issue. Now we're going to troubleshoot the receiver. And if the receiver capsule is good, we're going to try to utilize that in the repair. Now, we're going to replace the receiver capsule cord. We want to install about a 6-foot line cord that can simply be plugged into any modern day jack, so it will be plug and play. And we'll go ahead and do some still pictures of this cool telephone. We have a lot of work that needs to be done, so we want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting, repairing, and conversion. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool candlestick telephone, and we're going to run through a little bit about what went on. Now, we were able to utilize the original receiver capsule. We installed a new receiver capsule cord and a line cord 6 foot long. That's what Steve wanted. We also installed an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop. It has a high quality transmit power. We use this amplifier in our troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts, and it's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'm going to release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today. So now what we want to do, since we do not have a bell box, we want to go ahead and give you some dial tone. And I'm going to take dial tone away by taking the hook switch and just hanging up real quick and coming right back online. As you can see on the analyzer, it's like it dialed a 1. Now, I'm pretty far back away from this candlestick telephone, and if you see this red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. And I can tap on it. So it has plenty of transmit power, and you no longer have to get right up on the Bulldog transmitter to talk to people. You can be back away from it a little bit. It has plenty of transmit power. Now that we know that our receiver capsule is working and that our transmitter is working, we can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and will give you some dial tone. And we can use a tone dialer to call a time and temp number.
Today is Saturday, July 15th. The current time, 7:43 p.m. and the temperature, 86 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up our receiver capsule. Now that we know that this really cool candlestick telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Steve and he can enjoy this telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.